Hello and welcome to Easy How To Videos. In this video, I will show you how to install Thread on your Android smartphone. To install application on your Android smartphone, you can go to the Google Play Store. And then we can type in Thread and hit the search button. And we can see on the top there is a Thread application by Instagram. This is the right application, so ignore if there's any application named with Thread. And then we can see Thread application with the @ logo. And then we can click the icon to check is it the right application. So you can see here that Thread and Instagram app is the right application that you want to install. This application has 67 megabyte size, so we can just install it, wait until the install is finished, and then we can just open the application. Thread is part of Meta and is part of Instagram, so you can log in by using your Instagram account. You can switch account if you have many Instagram account on your smartphone, or you can just click login. And then after you're done, you can also allow Thread to send you notification, and that's it. Now Thread is installed on your Android device and you can start using Thread. So that's my easy guide on how to install Thread on your Android device. If you think this video can help you, please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.